Man, I'm so bored. What should I do? Wait, I have an idea. I will go get a ceiling fan. How about that? Ha 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 ha. Welcome to the ceiling fan store. What ceiling fan do you want? I want a ceiling fan, please. Okay, here we go. Thanks, you're welcome. And now I'm going to install it right now. Wow, the ceiling fan is installed and I'm going to turn it on right now. Wow, the ceiling fan is on right now.
Lamb, did you buy a ceiling fan? What? Lamb, I can't not believe it. You got a ceiling fan and install it, and that's so it you are so grounded. Grounded for 876543234567899876543234567876543245678. You go to bed right now. Stop acting like a spoiled brat.